How to install Shopify apps. So out of the box, Shopify is a powerful engine, but apps are how you add the specialized tools your business needs, from advanced hardware filters to fitness subscription trackers. Think of the App Store like a workstation for your business. You only install the high-performance tools that actually add value. And today I'm showing you the safe and correct way to install and manage Shopify apps quickly in this video. Okay, and now the way we navigate apps is pretty simple. You can either just search in Google, for example, type in Shopify apps like this, and you navigate to the App Store. This is where we can download, as you can see, this page, and also we have the search. Or the second way, you go to Settings, Apps, and here's the Shopify App Store button that takes you to this same exact page. And also, when you guys find the right app, you can click on that app and hit install. So I'll just choose TikTok, for example. As you can see, we can install, press install. And also, guys, the critical step. Shopify will take you back to your admin to show you exactly what data the app will access, like your products or custom orders. Review those permissions, and if everything looks good, click Install App at the top right. Okay guys, and then if you're looking to find it after installation, your app will live inside the Apps menu. So the same menu I've just shown you before, so just go ahead and restart the page, reload it, and it should appear here. And also guys, a small tip, only keep the apps you actively use. If an app isn't performing, go to Settings, then Apps and Sales Channels, and click Uninstall, or you can just find it here, just 3 dots and then Uninstall. This keeps your store's speed high and your dashboard organized. So apps are the fastest way to customize your store's workflow without writing a single line of code. That's it. If we helped you out with this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.